Hey guys, if you are looking for a vendor for your company, I have the perfect one for you, and you don't have to use your money up front to use it. I kid you not. This vendor is amazing. Let me show you these curls just so you can see. The hair, magical. Just purely magic. So if you're looking for a new hair vendor and you want one that is really good quality, this is another vendor that's on the list that I colored the hair. Stay tuned for this video because I'm dropping all the tea on my vendors, the vendors I use, and how you can use them too without tying up all your money. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Chanel. I have to be quick because Bud is about to come back up here and he's going to want me to turn on his show and sit down with him and everything. So I said this on Instagram, but I wanted to say it on here because if you are looking for a hair vendor and a really good hair vendor that is quality, I have a vendors list for you that's on sale for $99, and that special ends tonight at midnight. Tomorrow, Saturday, it'll be $155. And then the following Monday, it'll be the regular price, which is $255 for the dropship vendors list and $299 for this Afterpay vendors list. So I have two hair vendors on the Afterpay vendors list, and this is the second vendor. This is their straight hair, which I colored. And the original color was, this isn't the bundle, but the original color was a natural dark color, and I colored it to this, so it does color. But why we're here and why I use this vendor is because of the curly hair. So this looks rough because I've been playing with it, but this is somewhat how it comes. And this is how it looks when it is wet. Look at that. This is about 80% dry. And then this is how it looks when it's dry. And y'all see that? Oh, y'all see that bounce. Okay, this hair is so soft, so amazing. So that's the curly hair. This is the loose, kinky curly. As you see, it has some texture. Still soft, still gorgeous. The hair is full from root to tip. And then this is like their wavy curly, I believe is what they call it. Bouncy. Flows, super soft, high luster. And the reason why I chose to use these vendors and create this Afterpay list is because I do hair full time in LA and Houston, if you ever want your hair done. And I needed hair to keep on hand. I did not want to tie up my inventory, so I did Afterpay so I would not have to tie up my inventory. What that means is I get to pay in 4 installments, so over time. And with my Afterpay, because I built a relationship with them and I pay it off on time, I don't have to pay typically with Afterpay, you have to pay the first day you make a purchase, 1/4 of it. I don't have to do that. Mine is delayed 2 weeks. And then I was recently told that I can wait to make a payment for a whole month. So Afterpay allows me to not tie up all of my money. And that's important because if you've never sold hair, or if you've sold hair in the past, what you know is that selling hair in 2023 is vastly different. It's so different. With all my years of experience, it's still so different. So finding ways to not have to tie up my cash flow allows me to still have money to market, to buy hair, send it out to people for review, or to, create lead magnets and things of that nature. And then also with the Afterpay list, I've added one packaging supplier, and I'm about to update it and add another one. And I also added, and I'm going to constantly update it with graphic designers that use Afterpay. So you can get your website made, you can get IG flyers made, you can get an ebook made, create some digital products, make more money by paying with Afterpay and still freeing up your cash flow to make more cash, like to make more money. And I know some people are like, well, why don't you just use a credit card? Credit cards, if you like max them out and everything, it messes up your utilization. With Afterpay, that's not a thing. So it has nothing to do with reporting to your credit or anything like that. So you're able to utilize it freely, pay it off. They naturally increase your limit. And it's just another way. Like 2023 is vastly different. I've sold hair many times over the years, and 2023 is very, very different. You have to think of strategies to keep you ahead of the game, to, again, free up your cash flow so you have money to market, because you have to market. You can't operate this as a side hustle. It has to be a business. You need a strategy. You need money for said strategy. You need to implement. And if you don't have money, you just have to be clever. Ask God for wisdom. When I did, he told me, to do Afterpay. He also, reminded me about Dropship. So there are ways, don't let money catch you up. But when you do have money, make sure that you're using it wisely. I would not tie up all my money in inventory. I would focus more on creating leads. So getting people to know that you even have a hair company is way more important than you actually even having hair in stock. So if you know that, and you need to market, just make sure that you try to use ways that will free up some of your money. So again, hair is gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. The hair is, honey, top notch. I love this hair. The hair is so pretty, full from root to tip, ringlets, the whole nine. And they're my personal vendor. It's the hair I have in right now. It's the hair I sell. And quiet as it's kept, I won't be selling hair for long. My goal is to hit 6 figures. I only came back to selling hair after my, years of not selling hair, because I wanted to show or figure out exactly what it would take to hit 6 figures, to get sales, to create leads, to really make a hair company be successful in 2023. So in order for me to do that, I had to be in it. And so I started the company, and I tested out different strategies of what to do without using my money, with using some of my money, like what it would actually take to get sales. That's all I cared about, because nothing for nothing, a lot of the coaches out here these days, they are teaching you from the wins they had during COVID, or even earlier, like 2005, 2009, stuff like that. But for me, I knew I wanted to teach again. I know I love teaching, and I've learned so much over the years, but I needed to teach from a place of doing. I wanted to be able to provide receipts. I wanted to be like, no, girl, I did this and it didn't work, but this did. And from a place of, show and prove. And so I decided to start the hair company literally only for that. I really want to be able to review other companies. I want to be one of the hair girlies that, is reviewing wigs. And I have a lot of friends in the hair industry, and I want to support their business. Like, I've done it. I've had a hair company. And it's not to say I'll never have a hair company again, but my sole purpose this time was just so I could show what it takes. And then to be able to teach others how to do it. I do hair full time. So there are a lot of companies that I plan on referring my customers to, and a lot of companies I want to review that I've never been able to do a review series or anything like that, because I've always sold hair. So this will allow me to do that. I'm really excited for that. And yeah, once I hit 6 figures, we good. If I can get, enough of y'all to hit 6 figures within your beauty brand, I'm doing my job right. So I just wanted to show y'all the sale for the dropship as well as the Afterpay vendors list is $99 each. That ends tonight. Tomorrow morning it goes up to $155. So just, I always forget to come tell YouTube. So I wanted to make a video just to tell y'all up front, and again, show you the hair so you guys can see. And then yeah, if you're looking for a vendor, they ship quickly too. So they typically ship all of my orders with the first vendor typically within 3 days, and they let you know up front if like they're out of stock or it's going to take a minute. They will let you know. And then the other vendor, it typically takes, I want to say, about 4 days to get my order out for like K tips or F tips. But if they have hair that's in stock, it typically ships in 3 days. So shipping is really quick. You can use Afterpay. And yeah, I've been recording quite a few videos today, and I realized my sound didn't work because I was trying to use these little mics, and first time using them didn't set it up correctly. It was just bad. So I wanted to make sure I recorded this video and get this out today so you have time to purchase the list. I love you guys. I gotta go feed my son. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.